Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the exact address. Small differences matter. Dots plus tags or misspellings will cause not found. Next, make sure you can access the recovery phone or alternate email. This proves ownership and speeds up recovery. If the address belongs to a Google Workspace domain, check with the domain admin to ensure the account exists and isn't suspended. Once done, you'll move to account verification steps that reach Google's lookup systems. Now you perform verification. Go to the Google account recovery flow and enter the exact email you confirmed. If you remember any previous password, enter it. This helps prove ownership. Use an incognito window or another device to rule out cached session errors. If recovery prompts ask when you created the account or recent activity, answer as precisely as possible. Make sure to note any specific error messages and the time you attempted recovery. Finish by trying all recovery code options sent to your phone or recovery email. Use the Try Another Way prompts until no options remain. If you still see address not found, contact your Google Workspace admin or use Google Support Escalation. Provide the recorded errors and timestamps to speed diagnosis. If nothing works, consider whether the account was deleted. Administrators can sometimes restore recently removed accounts. One key troubleshooting tip: if you suspect domain deletion, confirm DNS/hosting status with the domain registrar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.